Hey everyone! If your Gmail inbox is overflowing and you want to clear it out quickly using your iPhone, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to delete multiple emails in the Gmail app on your iPhone in just a few steps. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your iPhone. You can find it by swiping home screen or using Spotlight search. Now, first open the Gmail app on your iPhone. Then make sure you're signed in to the correct account where you want to delete emails. Step 2. Navigate to your inbox once you're in the app. Head to your inbox or the folder where you want to delete emails. Step 3. Select multiple emails. You can do that by press and hold on to the first email you want to delete. After a second, you'll see a check mark appear next to it. Now, tap on the other emails you want to delete to select them. Step 4. Once you've selected all the emails you want to delete, tap the trash can icon at the top of the screen. This will move all the selected emails to the trash folder. That's it. Now, if you want to clear trash in Gmail app, follow the steps. Empty the trash. This is optional. To permanently delete these emails and free up space, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap Trash. In the trash folder, tap Empty Trash Now to permanently delete all the emails. Remember, emails in the trash folder are automatically deleted after 30 days. Also, be careful. Once you empty the trash, you can't recover those emails. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly delete multiple emails in the Gmail app on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.